Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 59. GAJA. GAJA. The Korean word GAJA is used to say let's go in an informal manner. Again, GAJA is used to say let's go. How do we write GAJA in Hangul? This is composed of two syllables. For the first syllable ga, we need to draw first a gyuk character followed by an a character. And for the second syllable ja, we need to draw a jiat character followed by an a character. Now let's try looking at this example. It says pali GAJA. Again, it's pali GAJA. This sentence could be subdivided into two parts. The first part is pali, and this is used to say quickly. And the second part is GAJA, which is a way to say let's go. And that is our word for today. So when we combine those two, it would result to a sentence that means let's go quickly. And with that, you've just learned GAJA. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 49 to 58. But don't forget our word for today, word number 59, GAJA, which means let's go in an informal manner. Next word is word number 58, it's ulta. This is a verb which means to cry. Next word is hada, which means to do. Next word is kada, which means to go. Next word for our review is 뭐예요, and this is used to say what is it in Korean. Next word for our review is word number 54. It's 이름. This is used to say name. Next word is 만나다. This is a verb which means to meet. Next word is 아침. This is a noun which means morning. Next word is Annyeong Haseyo, which means keep up the good work. Next word is 존만해요, which means you're welcome. And the last word for our review is 없어요. This is used to say there's no or I don't have in Korean. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.